UK Supreme Court. The UK Supreme Court, formerly known as the Supreme Court of the United Kingdom, or simply the UKSC, is the final court of appeal in the UK for all civil and criminal cases from England, Wales, and Northern Ireland. It also hears civil appeals from Scotland. Established in 2009, the UKSC replaced the appellate functions historically performed by the House of Lords. How does this institution function compared to apex courts in other nations? First, unlike SCOTUS in America or the High Court of Australia, the UK Supreme Court cannot overturn primary legislation enacted by Parliament due to parliamentary sovereignty. Second, it acts as the arbiter of devolution issues, resolving disputes between the central UK government and administrations in Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Third, its rulings set binding precedent for all lower courts across the British legal system. This ensures the uniform application of common law principles throughout the country. For example, imagine a major dispute arises between two corporations regarding a commercial contract governed by English law. After progressing through the High Court and the Court of Appeal, the losing party appeals to the UK Supreme Court. A panel of 5 justices hears arguments in London and issues a definitive judgment. This final ruling resolves the dispute and permanently establishes a binding legal precedent that every lower court must follow in future contract cases.